Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this tutorial we will go over alternative text, also known as alt text, in Microsoft Word. We will also go over some tips to help you with your alt text. Alt text is nearly always associated with imagery on a web page, but can also be used with images on text documents. It is used to describe the image to users and is especially useful if the image is blurry and for users with screen readers. Note, we will be using the Microsoft Desktop version of Word. Those using Word Online can follow along with the Google Docs Alternative Text on Images video to achieve the same result. Let's get started. Go to your Microsoft Word document with an image on it. I already have one open here. From there, right-click on the image that you want to add alt text to. Then, in the menu that appears, click on Format Picture. Or, if you find that this is an issue, click on the image. In the tool ribbon, a new tab should appear, called Format. Click on this tab. In the ribbon, find Picture Styles, and click on the dialog box launcher, the small arrow pointing to the bottom right corner. Click on the Layout and Properties icon. Click on where it says Alt Text. You can use either the title or description text box for your alt text. However, be warned that if you use both, a screen reader may only read the title. Alt text should be full sentences, but also be short and descriptive. If you find that a concise sentence is not forthcoming or easy, then you may want to use a caption. Or you can do what many textbooks do. Refer to the image, which they have also titled and captioned, and explain what the image represents. In that case, however, you may want to reconsider if you need the image at all. Next, I will go ahead and add another image that won't have alt text on it, as well as some text. Let's see what a screen reader will do with this.
D2L Mastery Micro Cred Badge with the word preview crossing it diagonally. Page 1 Section 1 Graphic. Hello everyone. My name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this tutorial, we will go over alternative text, also known as alt text, in Microsoft Word and some tips to help you with your alt text. Alt text is nearly always associated with imagery on a web page but can also be used with images on text documents. It is used to describe the image to users and is especially useful if the image is blurry and for users with spelling error screen readers. Exit and
As you just heard, the screen reader picked up and read the alt text for the first image. However, while the screen reader recognized there was a second image, it was unable to describe it to the user. This can be very problematic for students that use screen readers if the image is more than just decorative. As a side note, if you export this Word document as a PDF and have alt text on images, the alt text will carry over. Alt text in Word can also be used on other shapes and graphics. That's it for this video. If you have any other questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day.